Hello, matey. Starting a new simulation here. I hope I'm able to finish it before going out for dinner because I'm going out for dinner and let's see if I can do everything. Okay. Bearish daily. This is going to be fast. Bearish daily, bearish 4 hour. Um, mm -mm. Yeah, this is unless we break above here. Now we are going up, but uh, 1 hour. Oh, we are at London session, so we are at the beginning, pre-London session. I'm just going to draw those 4 hour lines here. I like to have them. So let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour as this zone here. GC. GC. This is a 1 hour close. We tested that. We came up during the Asian session. We tested that, and let's see if we can do a week up to go down, because this looks very bearish to me. We are just rejecting this resistance here. So let's see if we can do that and not break the candle immediately. Let me look at the 30. The 30 is bearish engulfing. Let me put the zone also in the 30. I've cloned this. Yeah, it's kind of the same. Kind of the same here. And then after this we have that zone, but for now we are kind of good. Yeah. So let's see what happens. I prefer to stick to the 1 hour for now, because in the M30 you see this resistance here, and I don't want to consider it because the 1 hour shows nothing, and the bigger time frame is better than the lower one. So let's see if we can have a week up. No, fuck me. It broke like in the first 40 seconds. Oh man. Okay. And this is not yet volume time, so that's why I was exiting. Let me see in the 4 hour how this stands. Yeah, in the 4 hour is a big week also. Now it's going up on the second half. Let's see. M30 closed as the rejection is rejecting this level here that I didn't want to consider. So if we break below this low, I'm in to get into this zone here. Let's see if we can get it. If we break above, we have this problem here. We have problems here above. this problem here, and that's not a problem here. That's not a problem. So let's see how it plays. Okay, we are almost closing, opening London. You see, man, it breached in the first 2 minutes and it was a fake out. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, still rejecting the zone. The 15-minute candle has closed. What we have in the 15 minutes. Nothing really special. We cannot get in here because we have problems here. Only below this zone here in the 15 minutes, which is that weak. That's why I want to break that weak. Okay, now we broke higher. Okay. Now, yeah, we have problems here. I cannot enter this. Raja sometimes take those trades because it's volume time and is expecting those wicks to be filled, you know. But for me, it's just very risky. At least for now, at least because I'm a newbie. And we break that one also. Let's see if we can close above this area here. Ten minutes to close. Let me see the 30. Oh, 30, as this one has no wick. 6 minutes. Yeah, in the 30 there was no entry here. You see, no wick at the top. So, but 30 has closed above in here when it closed. But then again, you have this problem here. So it's not a trade. Okay, we closed above. We closed above this little bump here, and how much do we have? We have like 16 pips. Maybe a bit more with the wick, 30. So let's see what happens here, if we can get a bit of retrace. Oh man. It's again breaking in the first second. Okay. It has to come down, or else I don't have a trade. 6 minutes already. Let me see the 30. Okay, in the 30, it's better. It's better because you can put a stop here. But then you have that 4-hour resistance there, which is also a problem. Let's see if we can get a pullback, a little retrace here. We need a retrace. We cannot jump in. Well, we can, but It's risky shit. It is? I don't know. It is. Volume time, we are in the second hour of London. If we break this high, we are probably going to kiss this one at 17 pips away. And the stop, 21. We can put 17. Let's see if we break the high. Okay, that's the week down I want to have. We are already in the second half, so we close them 30 bearish like that. So now if you break those highs, we are in a trade there. I'm going to try to stop at that time. Oh, here. Okay. I'm jumping in 1%. I stop here. That's 22. Let's see if we can get 22. 22. Something like that. It's a bit stretched because it's already in the weak zone. I might close partials in here. So, not going. Let's see how this candle closes. We have 6 minutes to close. Okay, closed bullish. That's a good sign. Let's keep it on. Oh, but bearish in the 1 hour. Ooh. But it's a very it's a very delicate situation. But it came down, it retested, it went up. Okay. Now we need to break that high again. Ooh. It has to go. Hmm. 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 Secondary test, same price. I know it has to weak down, but I'm closing 50% of my trading here. Just because this 1 hour candle closed bearish and we are breaking the body of it and I'm not liking the action, so just being safe. Close partials 50%. And now let's move. Okay, 30 minutes has closed. It closed dodgy pin bar, shooting star, something like that. Uh, yeah, I already cut 50%, so if we break the low here, I might consider to close another 50%. Let's see. Yeah, I'm closing another 50%. Uh, yeah, closing another 50% here. And let's move. Man, why am I losing so much? 1%. I cut twice, and I lost 0.86. Wow, something went wrong in this management thing because that's not possible. I cut most of it. Wow, I should have lost like zero point 0.4, something like that. Anyway, moving on. So we should retest this now and keep going up, isn't it? To the 30 minute, the 1 hour candle also did that. If we close below this zone, it might be interesting, but for now we just can't. For now, this is just a retest. So if we have a bullish candle here, I mean, yeah, 30-minute bullish candle. Oh no, we are coming down. Giving me not many options for a trade. Yeah, strong bearish close in the 1 hour. I couldn't take a trade here because, this is the retest. Okay, we are below this thing here, but we have support here. Uh, if we break this zone, I think we are good to go fill this week first and then maybe come down here to this zone. So let's see what happens. I can't have a trade here short because support is just here and just there. So now if you go back again, if you break the high of this candle, if you break the high of this 30-minute candle, I'm in again for longs. But that should, because we are in the next range, but that shouldn't happen. I cannot take a short here. Okay, we are about to close the 1 hour, 5 minutes to go. Yeah. we need we need a candle to close below this zone. We need this 30 minutes to close somewhere here. That's a lot of fighting in this 1 hour candle in such a small space. It seems like it's forming support. 30 minute has closed already. 30 minute has closed bullish, very weak bullish. Not possible to take a trade here. Might be the 1 hour just waking up and then come down. So if the 1 hour breaks this high, yeah, I mean, definitely in. Well, 3 minutes to close. For now, it's a lower low. Oh, we broke the high in the last minute. Wow, now we gotta finish the candle, and the next one has to retrace a bit. Whoa, that's the first minute again. That's again the first minute. But this is a bearish engulfing, a very beautiful bearish engulfing. So if it breaks its own high, I'm very interested in this trade. Yeah, this is, I'm going to buy here. We have 17 and 26, 17. It's a little tight, you know. It's not really good risk reward. It's 27. I'll put 27, 27. Um, I'm not expecting such a deep pullback, so, but I'm expecting those wicks to be formed again. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let me manage it in the M30. It seems that M30, if we break the low of this M30, I'm out of 50%. Not yet. Okay. I'm closing 50%. Closing, where are the trades? Close partial, 50%, close. And now play. Ooh. Very ugly, very ugly. If we break the high again, I'm adding back my risk. Not this high, just flipping bullish. Okay, 1 hour close bearish. I'm already 50% out. I'll close the trade below this week. I can put my stop above. Okay, I'm moving my stop to a better place. Closer. 22 instead of 27. Yeah, I'm cutting another 50% here. Should have been there, but I'm cutting another here. And let's go. Okay. Man, what a shitty day. What a mess. Wow. Okay, moving on to the next day. Um, mm, man, I'm not understanding what's going on. Like, look at, what the fuck? It looks like I'm not closing. Man, statistics. What's going on here? Hi. So my last one was this one. Okay, this one. Minus 11.7, minus, no, minus 9.6. I don't get it. 16. I don't get this shit. I don't understand what it's here. This one, I lost 6.7, I lost 9.7. So I was trading one lot. So if I was trading one lot, this is, I don't know, just doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's go for the next day. Or look at this shitty son of a bitch. Look at this. Really? Oh my god. Wow. Those are 1 hour candles, man. Look, 1 hour candles. Wow. Yeah, nothing I can do. Oop, right. So we need to play this. This is, we broke the 4 hour support. What we have now. Somewhere here, there's a support. here. And we have a bit of problems in there also. Yeah. So yeah, let's clone these zones. So in the 1 hour, we have this bullish area and this bullish. This is quite nice. On the M30, ooh, that's a huge rejection from the bottom. Huge. And we are about on the 50% here. Huge rejection, man. Fuck. So let's see if we get a. We're probably going to retest that high. Okay, we tested support. $15-minute candle has closed bullish. Let's see the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute candle has closed. Now we are in the second half. We just need a break of this week. In order to go up, we need a break of this week and we should be good to go and retest everything above. I'm looking into the 1 hour. I'm not looking into those bumps here. Yeah. If we break down here, it's clean traffic till the low here. But yeah. So let's see if we break up. Oh, okay, it's all right. So it's a buy again of 1%. Stop like this, 23. Let's put it here on the top. Let's put it. That's 24 there. So it's all right. I'm not looking into partials right now. Just closing. Let's see the trades. Trades. Or 8 pips. Let's see if it doesn't return. Volume time, London is opening. Oh man. Okay, now if we break below this M30, I'm closing 50%. Yeah, I'm closing 50%, but that's it. If that happens, I'm closing 50%. as we should continue going higher, we should not break this low. Right. Okay. Okay. You see, something is wrong because I just did 1% trade and I almost recovered everything. You see, so something is wrong with the lot size, with the lot sizing. Oh, because it's lots, I have to choose risk. Fuck me. Okay, I get it now. Okay, okay, okay. So it was done the same way. So yeah, you kind of make up for it. Let's see if we can get another trade here. We are closing above that zone, are we? Where are my 4-hour lines? Okay, they are there. Ooh, lot of retracement. Can we close above? 1 minute, closed. Okay, we closed above those ones. We didn't close above the wicks, but we closed above the closes. So if we move up, I think there's a very good possibility of price to get into that 4-hour zone at least. The problem is the stop when you break up here 1 hour. Like if you enter now, this is the second half of the 1 hour. If you enter now, you have a good risk reward. But if you wait for if you wait for the 4 hour, difficult situation here. Hmm. So what we have here at the left? At the left, we have those weeks there. So we have this week to fill, which is very nice. A very, very nice week to fill. And yeah, those are that's a weak fill going on there. So yeah, if you break high, I jump into the trade looking for that weak fill with stop loss probably below M30 or something like that. If this candle breaks its own high, did we? Okay. Okay, now it's the new hour. In the new hour, I don't want to jump in the first 2 minutes. Okay. That's the first 3 minutes. One hour into London. Nah, not jumping in 3 minutes. I know it's going, but what can I do? Rules are rules. Uh, Now it's interesting. Now it's interesting. Now, now, now it's 16 minutes in. M15 also closed bullish. We break that high for the second time. We came down. We made a better week. So I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in with an impulse trade. Stop just below this week here. And target, that's 21 pips target. I'm also looking for 21.3. I'll leave it here in this zone. That's the weak field zone in the middle of it. I hope not to have a tight. Yeah, this is an impulse trade, so let's go. Son of a bitch. It's coming back. Son of a bitch. Have to manage in the M15. Come on. Ooh, that was fast. I don't know what happened there, but that was fast. We have a M15 bearish close, but it recovered. Should I leave the 50%? No, I'm closing 50% because we had a bearish close. That's it. And now we continue. Okay, I did the right thing. Man. Very unfortunate trading here. Okay, now we are back inside the range with this M30. So that was a false break. That was a false break, and probably we should be going down. But the problem is this is a very bullish structure. Very, very bullish structure. Let's see how this M30 closes. This was like in 3 minutes. Yeah, M15 closed bearish in there. Now it's melting. What a shame. Yeah, I totally missed it. But there was no chance of taking a trade here. With M15, you don't. There's no. Maybe in the break of the low of this M15 could have been a good trade. I'm looking very little at the M15. I should look more. because we are back inside the range in this candle. So the breakdown of this candle could have been good. Yeah, but well, it's what it is. So I'm moving on to the next session, and yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, I have little time available here, but this is how it is now. So if we either break up or down, we have clean traffic both sides, so we should be good. Ooh, man, that's fast. Uh, yeah, if we break this week here, man, I mean, that's the week of the 1 hour candle, of the four hour candle, and we should look into this week fill. And yeah, big rejection. Let's keep it in the 1 hour. Let's see if we can break that week. For now, it was just a fake movement. Let's see how the 30 minutes close. 30 minutes has closed already. It's closed bullish inside. Yeah, now if we break this 30-minute low, I mean, completely in. We are moving into New York, into London volume. No fear, man. No fear. No matter the outcome. Doesn't matter. Okay, the 1 hour has closed bullish. Still, if we break that low and we can keep that high, no, we are going the other way. Okay. If we break all those wicks, I'm also in. Not sure where I'm going to put my stop because this was huge. But yeah. Okay, giving me some room to put my stop, which is good. Okay, it didn't go. It didn't go. 15 minute has closed. 15 minute has closed as a big rejection. Now we might feel this week, but this is just ugly for now. Truly ugly. Look how many fake outs it does to the range. It's just impressive. We are breaking the M30 low. If we breach the 1 hour low, yeah, I'm totally in. Ooh, man, I gotta go back. I gotta go back. So let's go back 15 minutes. Try to put it slower. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to sell here. My stop, man. Where do I put my stop in here? Where do I put my stop, mate? Let's focus on the target first. The target can be anything. Can be this 1 hour open here. So this is 15.9. That will make my stop. Okay, the same, 15.9. Yeah, I'm not expecting to retrace that much. So that's my target. We have clean traffic to go down to come to this zone. Maybe I just got like Okay, I'm going to put the target in here, but no, I'm going to put it on this week in here. But I'm closing like 90% in in this in this 15 area. So let's see. Put trades. Where are the trades? Another fake out? Really? Really? Another fake out? Man, it was another fake out. Unless it closes below again. Okay, we are going down. Oh, let me put this faster. 5 pips. 10 pips. Oh, 16. So I'm good. Uh, I'm going to cut 90% and leave the rest running at break even. Let's see if we can get to this target here. He's rejecting. M30 is rejecting. Oh my god. It's just what the market does, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, man, I need to go. I need to go right now. So I'll finish this probably tomorrow. Probably tomorrow during the day. So cheers. See you in a bit. Okay, mister. Is Thursday now? Thursday. And well, I'm here. I'm not taking this trade right now only because it's 7:01. So and it broke immediately. So yeah, so I'm not taking it. But yeah, but I was expecting like a kind of a week down and then the break of this week up, and yeah, to go at least here 14 pips or here 21 pips, but I cannot do it. I cannot do it. So let's see. Now I would, if it comes down and do a better week and does the same thing again, I will be interested if it breaks its own high. But this is all, this looks very corrective. So if you break below, we have another story. We break the low of the 30 minutes. Let's see the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks bearish as shit. We need to break from here. This is for our support. If we break, we have a bit of room at least till this one in here. We have this. We have this week to fill. We have space. We have some space. If you break down from this zone, again, it's like 15 pips, something like that. And yeah, might continue down. Now we have more here. A lot of supports in the 1 hour. And yeah, we clone these zones for the 30 minutes. Okay, let's see how the 30-minute plays. Ooh. It's rejecting. It's going up again. Very interesting, isn't it? Okay. It's flipping bullish there. Um, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, this looks like shit. But if we break this high, we might, again, 16 pips. Let's see. Problem is the stop on this kind of trades. Notice that none of those has closed above, so not even the M30 has a close above with no wick here. That's a hint. But then it tricked all the traders, and then it stopped them, and then it's moving up. So now it should be for real if we break this high here. Okay, we broke the high there, don't we? Okay, so I'm taking a buy here. Stop below this. Let me see. Let me see the numbers. So my buy would be 16, 12, 19. Let's see the 16, 16, something like that. Let's see the M15. Yeah, it's breaking everything up. Yeah, so the stop would be just below here, M15. That's 18 pips. I'm going to put my target at 18 also. Let's put it, yeah, 18. 18 is just that little bump there. Yeah, 18 is the double top here. So we have to burst through this one. Let's see. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, that's a trade. That's a trade. Ooh. Managing M15, closed bullish. Oh, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Super motherfucker. Without a chance. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Up, baby. Up. Up is the way. Come on. It's up. Okay. Very nice close. Very nice close. We are definitely closed above. Now we should wick down a bit and move on. The 1 hour looks amazing. Good retest here of this liquidity zone. Man, this has everything to go right. Everything except not going. Okay, come on. Did the week go? Go, go, go. All right. Now we are almost there. Let's see. We are trade. So we burst that first one. Let's see if we can get to the second one. I'm going to close 50% here, just in case, and then I'm going to extend my target to those weeks. We'll take profit out. So now I put the profit again, and I'm going visual. I'm extending my profit of the other 50% like in those weeks to be balanced, be more balanced with, because I'm closing 50% right now, so just to make sure that I'm not setting break even. Okay, now I'm more secure or whatever happens. All right, almost there, man. Almost there. Oh, fuck it. I just closed it all, man. I just closed it all. It's good. It's good. It's more. It did more than. Yeah, it's good. Close all. I'm okay. I'm okay. All right. So let's see how we be playing. Would have been a good one. The target there. Yeah. It would have been amazing. Yeah. Oh man. Wow. Okay. Anyway, where are the session times? We are into London. Let's see if we can have another trade here. Now it's a very dangerous situation because it's a lot of weeks here to. So we have to go over everything. Let me see the 1 hour to have more perspective. The 1 hour just did that. Yeah, very strong zone here, a lot of weeks. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can have a good close because if we go above these weeks, we have a bit of room, like 20 pips. But that's yeah, it's difficult. It should be difficult. This is a lot of resistance here. 30-minute close bullish. Oh, the 1 hour also. Yeah, the 1 hour close bullish. The 1 hour should wick down. If it has to continue up, should break that high. One hour is about to close. Are we going to close bearish? Okay, bearish close on the 1 hour. Let's see the 30-minute. You see the 4 hours. How are we doing in the 4 hours? Yeah, that's a lot of resistance in the 4 hours here. A lot of weeks. This is very, very strong stuff. A lot of selling pressure there. And we closed bullish in the 1 hour. So problem is the stop. I think if we break this low, we can come here to retest the zone. Problem is this is like 15 15 is alright, but 15 is a tight stop in this case. It's a very tight stop. We broke down in the M15, this zone here. Yeah, let me clone this zone to the M15. Um, yeah, till now we have nothing. It's just this one closed below and this one closed bullish after breaking down. So this was fake. It faked the move down and then it ended up closing bullish, but not inside the range. So to go down, this should not break the high here and should break the low here, which is a very difficult thing. But in the in the M30 candle that is possible, but in the M30 this trade is possible if we do a little wick and then break the low. Let's see. Maybe we are just going up instead. 30-minute close like nothing. Let's see if we can break this low. If we can break this low, this is a good place to put a stop there. We are heading into New York. So I'm not taking it anymore because we are, we are 4 hours already into London, and this is for the London session, this simulation. So, but yeah, this looks like a good trade to come here and retest this zone. We also have the 1 hour bearish candle. Now we are breaking low, and you know, so let's see how it plays. Should not break the high of this little candle here. Yeah. No, now he's rejecting. Okay. So we are 6 minutes to go. Okay. So it was a good call not to take it. Really, really. Wow. So the 30-minute close like this. Wow, wow, yeah, yeah. Ooh. And we broke the high of the previous candle here. This is strong shit. But again, this is a lot of rejections going on here. A lot of, and we are too close to that. It's not really a big weak fill here. Anyway, I'm not taking it. So, but yeah, I'm moving on to Friday. Next bar, you see, broke everything, but you see, it didn't manage to go over the wicks. Just a weak fill. Just a weak fill. Wow. Wow, wow. And now we might be coming down. Again, retested again. Now it closed below the support zone. Yeah, now in the break of this low, this is a sure thing that is coming here. Boom, there you have it. Man, yeah. No, yeah, but that's New York already, so okay, I'm going to moving to London. Okay, London. No, 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 no. This is what I want to close, not that. Okay, let me redo my zones. I'll be right back. Yeah, so this is Friday. Um, Very difficult situation. We are trading in the range, and I don't know. This doesn't look like something that I want to trade in here. We are breaking down in here. We might, but we have like the closes in here and support. No, this maybe below this zone, I might consider something for this weak fill. Of course, below this red line or above this zone here, I might also consider something. Other than that, I think maybe it's just not a no trade day. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, breaking below. I'm going to put the sessions. We are about to open London Open. Might be interesting if we break this low here. Ooh, which we did. Yeah, we did. Hmm. That's 12 pips there. That's 12 pips to the weak fill here. But it still looks like a range. It's just like, fuck me. This can very easily just weak down and that does this shit again. So, that doesn't feel good. Doesn't feel good. Now, if we have a break below, if we have a close below this red line and this zone, and then the next one breaks down, maybe I'll take it. But for now, it looks okay. The close is barely below the zone. But now I'm more confident if it breaks the low. But okay, let me see. Okay, waking up. That's my fear when I enter a trade in a zone like this. It's something like just rejects and go up again. But is respecting the 30-minute high. Oh, okay, wait for it. Wait for it, because I wanted to. Well, let's see. Now we are already here, so I need this one to wake up, and then if it breaks his own low, I'll take it. Okay, no chance, no chance to enter. Just no. All these weeks. What do we have here? Anything? So I can put like 10 pips. This week it is not 10 pips away. This is nothing. I cannot trade here. It's a shame that I cannot trade here. Yeah, would have been great. Um, yeah, let's see if we break below this 4-hour zone. This is even more difficult. 4-hour support is very strong always. Let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour. The 1 hour would have been beautiful. I should have taken the one. Well, again, you have all these weeks and you have this week here. Yeah, it's difficult. This is a very difficult situation here. And again, um, we already came so much down. This is a rejection zone in here where we are. But we broke the low there. We are moving down. Can we take this? It's just, it makes sense, you know, it makes sense because it doesn't have much more to go, I suppose. Like we did 70 pips here. How much we did here? We are on 54. Yeah, it might come to this zone 70 pips here. Hmm. Okay, am I entering too late here? Let's see, the 15 minutes. Same problems, man. It's just so ugly. So ugly. 15 minutes has closed below, but then again, this one also closed below, and look what happened after. Um, the only trade here was this 1 hour thing, but yeah. Now let's see how the 1 hour closes because we are 13 minutes for it. Hmm. And it closed above. So you see big rejection here for our zone. Let's see. Maybe we can go up and do a retrace. No, this is nothing. I'm not interested in shorting this. And if we break this low, we have no space. Yeah, there's nothing for me here. Just feel that I keep missing trades, isn't it? But better safe than sorry, I suppose. Might come to this one. Now the only question is if this would have been a good trade at the break of this low here. Like it did 9 pips. The stop would have been 15. So can we do 15? 15 is like here. It's just in the bottom of this support zone. I think so. I think it's going there. He didn't do the one-to-one thing, but he's still respecting the high. So now it should do it. Yeah. Oh, go, go, go. Close bullish. M30 closed bullish. Ooh, closed bullish. Yeah, so it would have given me my target. Ooh, man. Man, man, man. Yeah, it's the more it ranges, the more it's But you never know when it's going to come out in here, isn't it? This was really ugly in here, really ugly. And when we closed below, we are just two below. It was this candle here. The trade here would have been the this bottom of this week, but you have support here and you have support there. Again, very ugly shit. So yeah, and now you have support in the next one in here. Which is also, let's see, some point. This is rejection here. Broke down, came up, retested this week, came down. Yeah, man. Yeah. There's nothing here for me. What a crazy trade this would have been in the break of this week here. Uh, like 36 pips already. Now we have support, and then we have support again, and then support here, and then support there. Man, it's just so ugly. So ugly. Okay, 1 hour support here. It's about time to make some sort of. But we are almost ending the London session, so my simulation is just this, man. It's yeah, it's just a tiny little bit. I didn't manage to do enough, but I don't know how many trades, maybe 5. I don't know. Um, Let me check that in the 1 hour. So it was one. Oh no, because today I didn't trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it was 4 trades, one a day, something like that. So yeah, I'm going to close it like this. Um, because we are almost entering New York. So, okay, cheers, man, cheers. Now, yeah, this is also a Raja one, so I will update one note on this one. And yeah, of course, just like the last one, I traded very little, and yeah, I need to see what I'm doing wrong. Raja seems to take a lot more impulse entries than us. So I think we have to work around that. Anyway, cheers, man.